Hi there. I want to share with you today's tech tip on Canva's text to image AI feature. Okay, so here we have your dashboard, and on your dashboard, in the home screen, and again, this is the free version. If you go to try out text to image, and I just select that, and this is if you are searching for an image and you don't want to sketch it. So I'm going to try it out. And let's see, first down here, I can choose the style I want. So let's say I only want images that are watercolor. Okay, so select that first. And then let's say I want a golden retriever jumping for joy. Okay, just an example. Oh, what happened here? Wait. Golden retriever jumping for joy. Okay. And it will find your images. And you notice how they are in watercolor. Okay. So I can choose whichever one I want, and then it pops it in here. And then, of course, I can continue my design elements and whatever I want for the background. If I'd rather have this one, I can, of course, just delete that one. All right, so that's just the Canva text to image. Okay, enjoy this tech tip, and until next time.